You just found the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, alarm, locking limited slip differential, stability control. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.